Okay. All right, and then I'll just see. Huh. Oh yeah, I don't think we need to pin the. Oh, I understand what's happening now. Okay, yeah, that makes perfect sense. So the reason why the first link of the chain is working is not because it's changed the not because it's got a pin joint to the player. It's just because it's a child of the player, right? And I'm wondering if it should be a child of it. It shouldn't, right? Okay, that was our mistake. Okay, so okay. So let's have a look. So let's just remove this whole chain node. I wanted to keep things all in one node, but then I realized that's actually not a good idea. It's like it's good for organization, but it's not good when you want to position stuff. Oh, it's hot. Okay. All right. So what do we do then instead? Yeah, this heat is just like killing my MacBook. It's taking me like 5 seconds to Alt Tab. It's not because of Godot either. Like, Godot is like really fast. It's a tiny game engine. If I was running Unity, like I wouldn't even be able to work in this heat. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Okay. Yeah, no, sorry. Okay, I'm gonna try setting up maybe a fan system. Oh no. Oh my god, this is stupid how slow this is getting. I might have to switch over to a different computer for this development because it's just. Hello, Huang Shenlong. Is that a Dragon Ball Z reference? So I'm just like killing everything on my laptop right now because the heat is killing it. Okay, I think I need to disable the some of the effects as well. Just do whatever I can to reduce this. I used to watch a lot of Dragon Ball Z. Friends of mine just got me into Avatar, The Last Airbender. Yeah, something is happening really. Is this one thing? I'll just let you have a look, see what's happening. So I'm not sure why this is going up. So we can definitely kill that. We don't even have a touch bar, so I don't know why I've got a touch bar service. If I mute, is that going to make things better? So I think sysmon D is actually a temperature. Sysmon D Mac. Okay. I don't know why this is so high, but okay, we'll close this. I might get rid of source tree as well. Close all the things. Sorry guys, I know this isn't very exciting. Okay, let's do our best, even though the temperature is killing us. Okay, so oh yeah, no, this is probably not going to work super well. Let's have a look. Okay, so we're going to get an error as soon as we hit a letter. Yep. Cool. So let's think about this now. So if the chain isn't part of the player anymore, right, then it's just going to be part of I guess we should put the player inside the level. Not that it makes much difference, but I think then we will use the level as the root. Don't know why it keeps putting it down there. Okay. I'm just going to commit quickly before we make any big changes, just like a whip commit, because I'm gonna essentially like gut some of the logic. So it's git add dot git commit, and we'll just say whip. Okay, now we're going to start gutting some of this stuff. Okay, so let's start with the player. So what's that? Let me just get rid of this as well. Okay. So I think almost none of this is affected by the chain. Like the chain has almost nothing to do with this. It's basically like this one. Okay, so So this is we update our state with that. Okay, yeah. And then we just get rid of that now, right? And then what we want to do is we want to add our first chain, right? I'm just gonna one moment. Okay. It's been quite a lot of things going wrong today. Okay. Here we go. All right, so when we handle the collision, what we want to do now, I think, is create the chain underneath the player's parent, right? So I guess what we want to do is we want to load the chain before we need it. So we're just going to load it up here, and it's going to be equal to the player player chain dot t scene text scene. So chain dot text scene. Okay. Yeah, so all right, so we load the chain before we need it, and then what we're going to do is with a collision result, I think actually on ready we want to create the chain, right? So get parent dot. Okay, so we can say we have a variable here which is going to be our chain, right? And we're going to add, I don't suppose there's an add sibling or something. Oh, cool. So chain is equal to add sibling, and what we need to do is we need to initialize. Hello, CalcMat. Good to see you back. All right, so we're going to add the chain. Actually, no, that's going to be slightly different than that, right? So the chain is going to equal a new instance of the scene. Let me just remind myself how to initialize that scene. Godot add sibling scene. Instancing, I think, is what we want.